Should I start?
Yeah.
As it goes, hi guys, and you see a heart, but they didn't banana tyo neon.
I'll try it.
Neon banana. What's the point of? Hi guys, this is Itchya, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. First of all, once again, thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And if you haven't yet, do it right now. Go there, press the subscribe button. And other day we are gonna do some Q&A. So all the questions that you guys have asked, I'm gonna answer. Well, not all of them, but I'll try to answer as many as I can. And if there's some questions that are similar to each other, I'll just combine them. And I'm definitely gonna give a shout out to everybody who has asked me these questions. And thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule and asking me questions. So let's get started. The first question is from Gurung Dia. This is her Instagram handle, Gurung Dia _. Which do you prefer more for daily use, foundation or BB cream? Okay, so this is actually a question of personal preference because a lot of people, if you have some kind of spots on your skin, if you have any discoloration, it's better to use a foundation because it's higher coverage. Whereas if you don't have anything and if you just want an even skin tone, you can use a BB cream. Personally, I actually don't use makeup every day on a daily basis, but I do load up on a lot of skincare like sunscreen, moisturizer, yada yada yada. So if I had to use something every day, it would probably be BB cream with a very high SPF or a very very lightweight foundation like the Laura Mercier, which has SPF in it, by the way. So yeah, those things. My current favorite is the Laura Mercier foundation. It's absolutely amazing. Next question is from Presley.tdr. Her question is which is the best face wash to whiten the skin complexion for oily skin? First of all, I just want to say this out loud. I think that I've been an advocate of loving your skin tone as it is. I've always been that. I've always told everybody. But in Nepal, there is a tradition or it's a culture, or I don't know what it is. People do want to whiten their skin tone a certain shade, and that's completely fine as well. But if it was me, I think you should be happy with your own skin tone. However, face wash to whiten your skin tone, actually, things that say whitening usually has bleach in it, so I would avoid these products. However, if you do have some, what happens is if you have uneven complexion or if you have some pigmentation or freckles, as you say, you can use the Bioderma White Objective Face Wash. It's really amazing. It has this scrub-like texture, and I personally use it once a week, and you can also use it as a face mask. So that's like everything in one thing, it's absolutely amazing. The next question is how to get rid of acne prone and oily skin, and that's from Nita111. This is actually like a very I can't just answer this in one question because acne is like a skin condition. It's a problem in your skin. So I need to know what caused your acne, what are you taking for your acne right now. So I think I should make a video about oily skin and acne prone skin and how we can cure it. So as of now, drink a lot of water, stay away from fried and disgusting, food that is not organic or food that is, that has a lot of chemicals in it, especially packaged foods. So definitely do that. I would also recommend going on a vegan diet at least for a month. I personally found out that it cleared up my skin. I mean, not that I had acne, but it really made my skin glow and everything, my body, everything feels really lighter. So you could probably do that for a month and see how you feel. Other than that, for more details, we have to probably make another video for oily skin. So the next question is from Vasudha Kalia. She says, do you miss Canada? Oh, I actually know Vasudha. Actually, it's so weird. If you guys did not know, I actually studied beauty therapy. I mean, I'm a beauty therapist from Canada. I used to live there for 8 years and I made a lot of friends during that time, and Vasudha is one of them. And I'm that kind of person. I randomly meet people and I just have to talk to them and I have to be friends with them, and I like to know people's backstory and, try to get some knowledge, some kind of life experience from them. And Vasudha is one of them. I as far as I remember, I think I met her randomly on the bus, I don't know, but I do miss Canada. I miss everybody, each and everyone I met in Canada. I think Canada made me the person I am today because I got to learn so much there, the people, the culture, the food, everything. So I do miss Canada, not the cold. All right, the next question is from from Akriti Thapa. She says, cleanser brush use garda ramro ho ki nai? Himalayan charcoal mask kasto cha clay wala? So she's asking if a cleanser brush, I think she's talking about the mechanical one. To be honest, Akriti, I have not used it, so I cannot tell you. However, the best form of exfoliation is your fingers. I mean, if you have a really good exfoliant like a scrub that you can use daily, which is called a micro exfoliant, you can definitely use your fingers and you know, do it in circular motions, and that's, I think, the best type of cleanser. God's gifts, you know. And the Himalayan charcoal mask, I have not used it, so I'm so sorry about this. I cannot answer this question. However, since you mentioned it, I will try it and maybe I'll let you know. Oh, by the way, guys, if you're watching this video and if you have some products that you think that I should try, definitely type it down in the comment section down below so I can know if there's any good products that I've not tried. I would love to do some reviews about it. Alright, so the next question is from Casey_Yangisa. How to prevent pimple from scarring, and if it leaves scars, how to treat them? First of all, why is your pimple leaving scars? Are you trying to remove them yourselves, which is a big no-no. Do not do that, guys, because leave these kind of things to the professionals, and by professionals I mean all the beauticians in Nepal. They know the proper technique of removing a pimple or a blackhead from your face. If you do not go to a proper professional person, you might have chances of having pimple scarring and like abrasions, like small cuts on your face that might lead to scarring. And another thing that causes scarring is probably genetics, so it also depends if you have that kind of skin or that kind of genes that leave scars, so that also plays a huge difference. So until and unless I know your background, this is kind of like a vague question, but one of the major reasons to avoid scarring is probably getting a facial at a salon or a parlor, where you know that the person is educated and know what they're doing. The next question is, which sunscreen is best for oily skin? And this is from Run Ashish 0. I have actually made a video about sunscreen already, and it is right here in the box right here. So if you are interested about sunscreen, please click on this one right here. The next one is solution for thin, dry hair. How to make it look volumized. Alright, so I've got a lot of questions about my hair recently because it grew out, and honestly, I have been taking so much care of my hair because, as you can see, I like to color my hair. I love experimenting with my hair because it grows out. You cut it, it's not a big deal. So I like to really experiment with my hair. I sometimes cut it super short, then it grows, then so one of the reasons I think that my hair is healthy is also because I don't know, maybe this might not be even true, but I drink a lot of water, and I also take supplements of biotin. I mean, you should probably consult your doctor about this, but I like to take biotin supplements. It's really good for your nails, for your hair, and I like to take that. I also oil it. At Beauty Bar, I'm always here, right? So I always get them oiled. I leave it for 45 minutes. I steam it, I wash it, and then I apply the spa mask. You can also get them in what is it called? The home care stuff. You can probably, and always buy it from a salon because they have the original home care products and not the ones you can probably find at supermarkets or Bandapani. The one you actually find at salons, they're way better quality because I've used both, and honestly, it's like Zameen Asman ko farak sa something that's what it is. So definitely used professional products. That's what I would say. And try avoid using heating products. If I don't have to, I avoid doing that. I like to really take care of my hair. So there is no hard and fast rules, and there's nothing that comes really fast. You need to really, consistency is key with everything, with skin, with hair, with makeup, with everything. So just keep loving your hair. Alright, so the next question is, what's your hair color? Just loved it. This is from Pooja_K Chetri. I think that's how you pronounce it, 23. This is a question that has been asked to me a lot of times this past month because I just recently changed my hair color. As you can see, this is my newest hair color and I'm in love with it. But to be honest, okay, the color that I used on it is the Wella Professional range, which is the Wella Colestone. Is that how you pronounce it? Wella 9x3. That's the color. But just letting you guys know, before that color, I had a lot of other colors in my hair. So I think that this is a mixture of a lot of different colors. But definitely, if you show this video or show this picture to someone like a hair professional, they can definitely do this color. So the next question is, how can we get rid of facial hair? Please help. This is from Kriti Budatoki with a K. So Kriti, facial hair depends. I mean, obviously if it's eyebrows, I mean, if it's upper lips, you can have them threaded, you can have them waxed. Even with the facial hair, you can have them waxed and threaded. But if not, if you're looking for a permanent solution, you can definitely go for a laser hair removal, and that really works. But it takes about 8 to 12 treatments, and it is a slow process because you have to go like only once a month, and that's how it works. There's really good laser clinics out here in Kathmandu itself. Do your research, find a good reliable doctor, and get it done. Alright guys, so we're almost at the end of this Q&A segment because we don't have a lot of time. Like I said, keeping the video short, we're going to just answer 2 more questions. The second last one is, which is the best foundation brand for oily skin? And this is asked by Nepalese_1. It really depends on what kind of brands you want, but some of the really good ones that I like is the Maybelline Fit Me, there is the Kat Von D. So these are all waterproof and they are without any oil. So like it's really good for oily skin. So you know, it just stays right there matte. And also if your skin is excessively oily, you can just use some loose powder or setting powder and just set your makeup. And the last question for today is from Matina.shr, which is, can we find Bioderma products in Beauty Bar? Yes, you can. You can find a whole variety of products at Beauty Bar, which are also my favorites because I always try and test them before I sell them to my clients. So yep, that's it for today, guys. And if you enjoyed this segment and you have a lot of questions, or whether it's personal or related to what I do, which is the beauty field, please leave it down in the comment section below. Or if you are following me on Instagram, you can also DM me, or when I also like post those, you know, those questionnaires that you get on Instagram, you can also ask me then. And the next question in Q&A segment will be asked next week, so stay tuned. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.